Alright guys, so now we are here in our recipe book generator. So first what we're gonna do here guys is we're going to create a title of our recipe. So let's say fish recipe. So I don't know what kind of fish that you want, but in general like fish recipe for example. And let's see what we're gonna give to us. And for here the target audience, so it's optional like parents, chef, cook, or restaurant owners. So here on the recipe per page, then you can choose one recipe, two recipes per page. So I think one recipe is enough. If you can also make two, and for the servings, choose the servings. So I'm gonna choose 3 or 4. Okay, then next what we're going to do is here the ratio is 8.5 by 11, so I already set it for that ratio since that is where we're going to upload it. And for the recipe categories, then you can choose a lot of categories there, whatever you want. So I choose the you can choose lunch, breakfast, dinner. And for the dessert, so you can choose pastries, cakes. So I choose dessert here, click that one. And then for here, so I just gonna go for air fryer smoothie. And then here, so it's up to you guys. I'm gonna go for keto and gluten-free. All right, so once you finish with these categories guys, just go down here and then you will see there the cooking preference. Scroll down. There you go. So if you are a beginner for cooking, we have a friendly here that you can beginner friendly only. Then you can just turn on that button there for beginners, and then you can also turn this under 30 minutes. Just check that box. And then next is the budget friendly, of course. Alright, so now once you fill up all of these guys, then you can change it later. Then let's generate my recipe book by clicking the red bar there. And there you go. So we have this fish already, the lemon pepper white fish. We also have the salmon keto gluten free salmon and avocado, and the Mediterranean baked tilapia for lunch. So this is the fish that we got. And as you see, we have the image prompt there guys. You see that one. So what we're gonna do is we're going to copy the image from first, because we're gonna make an image for each recipe. Then next we're going to Artistly. Click the AI Designer V6, and under the category we're going to use the Artist Designer V2. Click this one, and then here you're gonna paste the prompt that we just created there, the image generation prompt. And then we're going to and then let's select the quantity for 4, so we have a choice. And let's change the ratio for 3 by 4, and there you go. Then generate image. Let's wait for a second. Alright, so now as you see guys, here is the image that we just created inside of Artistly for our first image. Alright, so you can always change this if you want to. So now let's go back and let's get the second image for the fish. Okay, where you go, there you go, image generation prompt. Copy again this one, all of it, just copy. And then we're going back to Artistly, and then we're going to paste it into our AI image designer V6 under the Artist Designer V2. There you go. Set the ratio and generate image. There you go. So here is the second image of our salmon. Alright, and then let's go back again and let's get the third image for our recipe. Then let's go back again and let's get the next image for our avocado power smoothie. Salmon avocado power smoothie. Copy this one, Okay, and then go back to Artistly and choose 4, ratio 3:4, and then generate image. And then let's go back again and let's copy our last image, which is for this fish, sweet honey glaze pala. Okay, copy this one. And then let's go back to Artistly. Okay, AI Image Designer V6, and paste the prompt here, quantity 4, and ratio 3:4, and generate image. All right, as to see, guys, here is the images that we just created. We did this 4 images with the smoothie, avocado, salmon. All right, there you go. So once we finish all of this, what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to copy and paste all of this. So from here, from page 1, yes, from there we're going to copy all of the recipe. There you go. All right, just copy and then go back to Artistly, and under AI design agents, find the cookbook creator. There you go, click this one, and we're not going to create new recipes by AI because we're going to use our own recipe. Okay, so click the format my recipes, and then here on the bar you're gonna paste all of the recipes we just copied. Okay, just paste it here, and you see 5,000 characters, but if it is more than 5,000, then we can go back again for the second recipe. All right, so I think it's okay, we're safe. It's all 5,000 characters, so it all fits, so there is no problem. All right, so next, what we're going to do here, so if it is more than 5,000 characters, then we can cut the 2 recipes, and let's go back again to create that. But for this one, I think we're all good. Okay, then let's the target audience, let's say home book standard, and then for the book title, I'm just gonna use fish. Okay, fish recipe, so it's a single recipe, and then we're going to choose from the library. Remember, we created all of those images, so just choose the image that you want. There you go. So I choose 4, but you can choose 1. It's all up to you guys. And then once you finish choosing that 4 images, and then scroll down and generate cookbook. And there you go, guys. So here is our cookbook. We have 7 pages, but you can create more recipes of your own and then add it later. So we're going to click the read, and let's see how it looks like. So here is the image photo that we just created. And there you go. So those are the 4 images that we just created. And as you see, guys, here is the ultra crispy air fryer lemon pepper white fish. And here is the other one, the garlic butter salmon keto gluten free. They give you also an image of that, ingredients, preparation, and the smoked salmon and avocado power smoothie also here. So it's going to create you guys the recipe that you see here, and then but this is all of your recipe. You didn't ask Artistly to create this for you. You create this into the application, the apps that we use, and then we move to Artistly to create this recipe in a form of a book. So this is how we can create a cookbook inside of Artistly using my recipe book app. So if you want to get that application, guys, and if you want to create your own recipe using my recipe book app, just go to my Skool. I will put the link on the description. Go ahead, guys, sign up, and I'll see you there. Bye for now.